Hello guys and welcome to Laravel 7 tutorials. So guys, in the previous video we successfully resolved the responsive issue that were related to user panel of our web application, and now it seems fine if you view our let's say dashboard side for the user panel on mobile view. It looks perfect, right? Okay, so guys, in this specific video we are going to resolve let's say small issues that are related to, let's say, unnecessary links. We need to fix some sort of, let's say, right here the copyright error, and I have some there are some short issues that we need to fix, like let's say if I click on this link, you can see we are breaking our website because we don't have index.html. So we are going to resolve these type of short issues, and this time we are going to resolve it for both the admin and the user dashboard. So on the Google Chrome I have accessed my admin dashboard right here, and for the Firefox I have accessed my dashboard using user credentials. So let's start. First of all guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove unnecessary links right here, that is settings and activity log, and we need to do it for both the dashboard right here. Okay, so let's remove them first. For that, let's move to Sublime, let's move to resources, views, and let's move to, let's say, backend, layout, and right here we can go to top navigation. Okay, so right here we can simply comment these settings and activity log links right here, just like that, and let's view it in action, F5, and they are gone now, so it's fine. Now let's move to Sublime once again, and this time I'm going to access user panel. Let's move to layout and top bar. Once again I'm going to comment these links out right here, so comment them out. Let's do a refresh. Okay, and yeah, so it's fine. Now let's fix this copyright error so that, let's say, I can get the current error whatever it is. So in this case, let's move to Sublime once again, and let's move to footer right here. You can see it's hard coded right here, that's why we are seeing the 2020 right here. So what I'm going to do is let's use now error. You can simply do that in Laravel. Okay, let's do a refresh, and right here you can see the current error. Let's move to admin dashboard. We have already fixed it right here, so we don't need to do anything. Okay, let's move to, let's say, this link. In this case it's a dummy text, but in your case, let's say if you are building a professional website, you are going to have let's say website name or whatever the vendor name is. Okay, so it depends on situation. So let's click on this, and you can see we are redirected to index.html. so let's fix this out. Actually, whenever I'm going to click on this, I need to access, let's say, home URL. If you want to, let's say, access the dashboard, you can do that simply by defining the URL of this dashboard, but in my case I'm going to redirect the user to the home page. So let's move to user panel, sidebar, and right here we can fix it using the URL, and the URL is slash, just like that. Okay, and let's refresh. Sorry, not like that. Yeah, okay, let's do a refresh. Let's click on this link, and right here you can see we are redirected to home page. Okay, let's see this in action for the admin dashboard. Okay, so it's already fine, so we don't need to change it right here. Okay, but actually both these links and sidebar are different from each other because this is the, let's say, user panel layout, and this one is the admin dashboard layout. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Okay, let's move to home page. Right here let's click on this website name. In this case, once again, it's a dummy text, but in your case, if you are building a professional website, you are going to have a website name right here. Okay, so let's fix this. This is related to front end, and actually we are going to see this for both the layout. Why? Because for the front end we have same layout for every single user. Okay, so let's fix this, and let's close this unnecessary tabs, or let's move to front end, let's move to layout and top navigation, and right here let's fix this to, once again, home page URL. So URL slash once again. Okay, yeah guys, let's move to Google Chrome, and let's do a refresh. and you can see we are redirected to Start Bootstrap. You can visit any sort of page, let's say in this case contact, and let's click on this link, and it's working fine. You can test this for the user dashboard as well, because in this case actually it's same, right? So yeah, it's working fine. Now one more thing that I have noticed right here is, let's say if I'm going to search for a blog without a space in the character, or let's say the name of the blog, let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, some random text, and paste it without any spaces, search, and right here you can see we are actually our text, this sort of text is going to break our website right here. Actually not break, but it looks odd if your website is published and it's live. Okay, so we need to fix this, and we are going to see this for on both the side once again, because the layout for both the user is same, at least for the front end. Okay, so I'm going to show you, refresh, sorry for that, let's add one more, search, and right here you can see we are breaking. So let's do the inspection, and let's move to normal view, web view, and right here let's try to fix this using overflow wrap, and let's do break word, sorry. Yeah, so now it looks fine. So what we need to do is we need to implement this class, and this time we need to implement it on the front end custom CSS. So Control P, custom CSS related to front end, right here you can see. Okay, let's create a custom class. So custom overflow wrap break word, just like that. Now we can simply copy and paste these classes, copy, and let's move to partials. Right here we have a success and errors blade right here, so we need to implement this on every div that is related to alert. Right here you can see. Okay, let's do it right here, just in case. Actually we need it for one, but just in case you can put this custom class to every success or error message, doesn't matter. Okay, right here, and the last one right here. Okay, let's save it, and let's try to search it once again, search, and right here you can see now we are breaking a word when there is no space in a specific character, in a specific series of character or words. Okay, so yeah, it's fine now. If you want to test it, you can do some random text one more time. So copy, paste, search, and right here you can see. Okay, so same thing is related for the let's say user panel, because once again, sorry for that guys, but it's just to remind you that we are using the front end layout is same for both the user. Okay, so that's what I wanted to tell you. I know I have repeated it many times, sorry for that guys. Okay, so yeah, it's fixed now. So yeah guys, that's it, and I don't think we missed anything. Right here, let me click on this. Okay, and let's say if I'm going to search for words like that, I'm going to copy this. I just want to show you the result. Okay, in this case we are not going to go out of the div right here, because we are already breaking the word when we are typing it. Okay, so the issue that was related to overflow was, let's say if we have a series of character without a space. Okay, so that's it guys, and let's say if you find any sort of let's say issue, unnecessary link, or it's not working, you can just tell me in the comment section and I will respond, and we will fix that in a video together. Okay, so that's it from this specific video. I hope you guys like this video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, share. Thank you, take care, and yes guys, be ready for the next one. Okay, take care.